Welcome to the admin dashboard for your white labeled texting solution. This video will give you all the tools and information you need to get started. The Settings tab is where you will be able to really make this solution your own. This is where you will configure your white label and customize all of your colors, logos, and icons to make sure they are cohesive with your company's brand and color scheme. You can enter in your company and your chosen brand name here. Although your company name and your brand name can be the same, this tab allows you to choose what personality and brand you want your solution to have. For example, our company name is SMS Factory, and we have chosen Texting Line as our brand name. You can personalize your brand however you like. Here, you will be able to enter your admin and customer site URLs. If you haven't set up the domain yet for your branded URLs, you will be able to see the detailed instructions in the Cname Instructions tab here on the right. Creating a Cname record is vital to your success as a white labeled account, since it allows you to send your custom URL to your clients. So when your clients log in, they will go to your URL and sign in to your personalized site. In this tab, you are also able to customize your white label settings to make sure your colors and icons match your website and your marketing collateral. Now click Save and you're ready to add your first client. To text enable a business landline or toll-free number, you can go ahead and click Add Client. Just type in the required information and press Activate Number. Shortly after you press Activate Number, your client will receive a branded welcome email from you and will be up and running within 30 minutes. To customize the default welcome email, click here. Once you've added some clients, you will be able to manage them here. This tab allows you to see a comprehensive list of all of your clients and take the following actions. SSO, remotely access their account. Resend login. This will resend the welcome email with the login criteria. You can block login completely. Freeze messages. This will freeze any incoming and outgoing texts. And finally, you can deactivate and delete. Numbers allows you to pre-check numbers for text messaging eligibility, and it lets you quickly search and take some advanced actions to a specific number. That is the end of the overview video. If you have any other questions, please reach out to support@smsfactory.com. You can also call or text us at 855-322-8679.